Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So what we got here is an Iflight. I forget the exact name of the frame, what they call it. So it's a carbon composite frame, or pressed carbon, whatever they call it, type thing. It's carbon fiber, it's just painted. That's Iflight's done this paint too. This isn't me doing it. Yeah, so check it out, right? Got some Swellpro motors, 2206, 1900 kV. We're running it's the eachine Wizard X, that new Wizard that they did. What was it? I forget what the hell it was called, the newer one. Anyway, the HV one, that's what it was called. So we got that stack in here, and we're gonna do it line of sight, no goggles today, and see where we're at with it. See how it flies right here in the field. So thing gets it, dang, it doesn't move. Flies really good. Dang, so smooth and so clean. I gotta watch that motors. We're gonna put some FPV on it, so. And I'm not trying to fool nobody. This is in angle mode. I can go into acro. But we are in angle mode when we're pushing it around. It's fun to go fly these things like that. Let's give it a punch out. That's crazy, dude. That thing just gets it. 6S just. Well balanced machine is what it is. Really well balanced. You know, these guys were having trouble with this guy on the Wizard. Motor's ice cold. Let's I think I'll bring my checker. I did. Let's go and plug in, see what we're at, see what kind of battery power it's eating up. We're at 23.3, guys. That's crazy. And I'm pushing this thing. You see me whipping it. Like it's getting it. Like it's no joke. Running the freaking juicy props. Thing moves. What'd you say, Chuck? Wanted to make it a sports car racer or something? Drag racer? It definitely is. And I'll adjust the limit and all if I keep messing with angle. I'm gonna do FPV, but for now we'll keep it in angle mode. It's in acro and angle, so still a complete punch away from us. Gone. I tell you what, my quad would have trouble keeping up with that. Thing's gone over there, Jack. Damn. When she got up in that sunlight, that was weird. It's a different, give me a different thing with my eyes. Man, I'm glad the beta got here and run these things like this, line of sight. And have that eye to be able to see it too. Hope I'm getting you guys in frame. Now you see it? Yeah, smooth. And look. So what I'm learning is those arms. Let me show you. Pirouettes. All right, let me bring it in. I'll show you what I'm talking about. The arms is why it's so quiet. See how the arms are? They're tapered. That's why you don't hear that inertia, that whoa, you know, that punch. This is a laid back, real smooth rig. Really smooth. No tuning. Betaflight 4.1.1. It's on sliders. All the sliders are in a row. Nothing changed. On filters, right where the filter should be. So we're good to go. This thing is really smooth. I can't get over how good it flies. So hopefully you guys could see that line of sight with it. GoPro's really hard because it kind of gets out away from there, you know, real far away. But my GoPro Hero 8 is smashed and I cannot change the back screen back to the other screen. So yeah, guys, thanks for being out here flying with me. It's cold. We're gonna go head in now. We're gonna go head in now. That's what I meant to say. I headed in and now. We're gonna head it in and now.